To make a product available in the catalog, you need to publish it. 1. Go to My Items and find your model. 2. Click the selected item, View, Publish. To find published models, go to Add Furniture, More, My Items, Published. 3. After publishing, you will see a new icon on the product card. You can also access your models by clicking Profile, My Items, where you'll find both drafts and published models. If you want to unpublish a model, 1. Go to My Items and select the product. Click Edit, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner, Unpublish. The model will return to drafts.